Infinix Zero 5G Turbo, the ultimate smartphone for technology enthusiasts. The Infinix Zero 5G Turbo is the latest smartphone from Infinix, and it is packed with advanced features and capabilities that make it a great choice for technology enthusiasts and consumers who want the latest and greatest in mobile technology. In this blog, we'll take a look at the specifications of the Infinix Zero 5G Turbo and see what makes it a top-of-the-line device. Display: the Infinix Zero 5G Turbo features a large and vibrant 6.53-inch display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels. The display is equipped with an IPS LCD panel, which offers excellent color accuracy and viewing angles, making it ideal for watching videos, playing games, and browsing the web. Camera: the camera system of the Infinix Zero 5G Turbo is a standout feature, with a 48-megapixel main camera and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. This camera system is capable of capturing sharp and detailed images, even in low-light conditions, and allows users to capture stunning photos and videos with ease. Performance: the Infinix Zero 5G Turbo is powered by a Snapdragon 870 chipset, which offers excellent performance and energy efficiency. The device is also equipped with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, making it a great choice for multitasking and storing large files. Battery: the Infinix Zero 5G Turbo is equipped with a large 5000 mAh battery, which provides long-lasting power, even with heavy usage. The device also supports fast charging, so users can quickly recharge the device when necessary. 5G connectivity: one of the standout features of the Infinix Zero 5G Turbo is its support for 5G technology. With 5G capabilities, users can enjoy lightning-fast internet speeds, allowing them to stream high-quality video, play online games with reduced lag, and perform data-intensive tasks with ease. In conclusion, the Infinix Zero 5G Turbo is a highly capable and innovative smartphone that offers a premium experience for users. With its large and vibrant display, powerful camera system, excellent performance, large battery, and 5G connectivity, this device is the ultimate smartphone for technology enthusiasts.